Hey friends, welcome back to Learn New Things, your ultimate tech hangout where we dive into AI, web development, startups, tools, scholarships, and literally everything that keeps our tech-loving hearts beating. Today you're watching Tech Pulse episode 9, and trust me, this one is packed from start to finish. We've got AI breakthroughs, startup funding news, dev tools, learning resources, scholarships, and even some ethical debates you won't want to miss. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's get rolling. Because this episode is gonna be fun, informative, and maybe even a little mind-blowing. Alright, first up, OpenAI just launched something really exciting called ChatGPT Atlas. Think of it as an AI-powered browser that remembers what you do, can act as an agent, and still keeps privacy in check. Right now, macOS users are lucky ducks with full access, and Windows and mobile users will get it soon. Why it matters? Well, if you're a developer, student, or creator, this browser basically becomes your personal AI co-pilot. Summarizing web pages, suggesting optimized code snippets, or even drafting emails while you sip coffee. Yes, please. Drawbacks? Privacy. Always privacy. AI remembering stuff is cool until you don't know what it remembers. Always check your settings. Example, imagine you are researching AI topics for a project. ChatGPT Atlas can track your searches, summarize long pages, and even suggest relevant tools. You basically have a research assistant that never sleeps. Okay, now this one's a bit more on the serious side. Over 850 scientists, policymakers, and tech leaders just signed a petition calling for a moratorium on super intelligent AI development. The goal? Make sure AI doesn't get too powerful before we know it's safe. Why it matters? Ethics in AI. We all love smart assistants and AI tools, but unchecked superintelligence could literally get out of hand. Drawback? Some might argue this slows down AI innovation, but hey, a little caution beats a disaster. Impact on daily life. Better safety in AI apps, smarter recommendations, and ethical tech that doesn't misbehave. Think Siri or ChatGPT that actually respects your data and behaves responsibly. Anthropic, one of the hottest AI startups, just signed a multi-billion-dollar deal with Google to develop high-efficiency TPU clusters for next-gen AI. Why it's exciting? Smarter chips equals faster AI. Better models, more powerful tools for developers, students, and creators. Drawback: big tech dominance can make it harder for small startups to compete. Impact: your next AI coding assistant, text generator, or design tool might run significantly faster thanks to these chips. Less waiting, more doing. Who doesn't love that? The European Commission found Meta and TikTok in violation of the new Digital Services Act, mainly around algorithm transparency and child safety. Good news? Safer platforms for users, especially younger audiences. Drawback: companies might delay features while fixing compliance. Impact: parents, educators, and creators now have a bit more peace of mind knowing these platforms are held accountable. Python lovers, here's some good news. Fast API adoption jumped from 29% to 38% in the latest dev survey. Web development with Python is making a comeback. Why it's cool? Faster APIs, scalable apps, less boilerplate code. Drawback? If you're coming from Flask or Django, there's a slight learning curve. Real-life example. Build a high-performance API in hours instead of days. Impress your boss, clients, or just yourself, because who doesn't love coding flex? If you're loving Tech Pulse episode 9 so far, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It really motivates me to keep bringing you the latest and greatest in tech every single day. Microsoft Partner Center just launched interactive modules on compliance and sales strategy. Why it's awesome? Entrepreneurs and tech pros can level up faster. Drawback? Might feel overwhelming if you try to binge all modules at once. Impact: master Microsoft ecosystems, improve channel sales, and ace project execution. Uniphore raised $260 million from NVIDIA, AMD, and Snowflake to scale AI communication tools. Unify Apps raised $50 million to enhance AI workflow automation for enterprises. Impact: more AI tools, smarter automation, faster business operations. Google Maps just refined Navigation SDK version 6.0 for Android 14 Plus, improving Kotlin safety and exception handling. Impact: safer, smoother apps for end users. Devs can ship apps with less headache. Android Studio platform tools got a 2025 update. Better rendering, optimized APIs, ready for new hardware. Impact: faster testing, smoother development, less debugging stress. Microsoft Compliance Training 2026. Interactive lessons for sales and integrity. GRCRAI 2025, London. AI and Robotics Research Conference. Emotional robots, disaster recovery tech, filmmaking. Impact: students and devs can upskill and network globally. Rise Up Challenge, $1,000 to $2,500 for anti-bullying initiatives via story video submissions. Evans Scholars Program, full tuition for student caddies with leadership skills. Impact: financial help plus social contribution, a win-win for students. And that's a wrap for Tech Pulse Episode 9. From AI, startups, dev tools, web development, learning resources, to scholarships, we covered a lot today. Next episode is going to be even more mind-blowing, so don't miss it. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share this video with your tech-loving friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.